Well, welcome to Around the World in 274 Days. And today we are in St. John's, Newfoundland. And it's kind of like coming home. I served in Newfoundland as a young missionary for our church back in 1975-76. Although I wasn't in St. John's, I was on the west coast in Stephenville and Corner Brook. So this is the first time back, and I love being here. This should be a fun day. We're going to go look for puffins, the elusive seabirds. St. John's is the capital and largest city of the Canadian province of Newfoundland and Labrador. Its name is attributed to John Cabot, they think, who sailed into the bay in 1497. It also played a role in the 7 Years' War with the American Revolution and the War of 1812. Well, we finally got to where we're going to. We got on the boat, and we're going to go see some puffins, we hope. So, beautiful little inlet here.
And tonight there's a small train.
And in the event of an emergency, they'll be passed out by the crew. They're simple and easy to use. Pull apart by the short straps, down over your head like so. Long straps go around your waist, short ones around your neck. That's pretty simple.
Throw him down in the dark, deep hole, where the shots from everybody, and the devil take his soul with the big bow wow, bow wow wow. Roll right away with the big bow wow, bow wow wow. Roll right all day.
Puffins are a stocky, short-winged and short-tailed bird with black upper parts and white or brownish-gray underparts. The head has a black cap and the face is mainly white, and the feet are orange-red. The bills appear large and colorful during the breeding season. The colorful outer part of the bill is shed after the breeding season, revealing a smaller and duller true bill beneath. Because of their striking appearance, they're also referred to as clowns of the sea or the sea parrots. They are fast and hard to photograph, and I have some beautiful pictures here I want to show, but I've took two videos, and you can see how small and fast they are on these videos. They just go flying by. We did see two bald eagles while we were going out. These bald eagles prey on the puffin chicks. Now sit back and relax and enjoy the photos I took of our Atlantic puffins. There's the island we are at to see the puffins, and they were hard to photograph. They're only about 6 inches tall. They're fast, and as they hit the ground, they go into their burrow to feed their chicks. They're actually about 8 to 12 inches tall, but they are fast. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel Around the World in 274 Days. Thanks for watching.